Okay, hello guys, so this is the Redmi Note 12 and I'm using the Evolution X custom ROM. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to flash custom recovery, flash custom ROM, and also test several stuff in this ROM. Okay, so this is an early stage custom ROM for this phone. It's very nice, very fast, very smooth, but it's expected to have a bug. Okay, so all the file and step I will provide in my blog. You can check the link in the description box. If you have any question, feel free to ask on the comment section. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. We meet again with Onwap, and this is the Redmi Note 12. The code name is Topaz, and in this video I'll show you how to flash custom ROM in this one. Okay, so just to be noted that this is just initial release of this phone, of the custom ROM for this phone, so it is expected to have a bug. So the video means that if there's any stable version, you can flash using the same tutorial. Okay, so first thing to do, let's go to the settings. I'll show you the setting system. About phone, right here, Redmi Note 12. I'm using the MIUI 14.0.3 on Android 13. Okay, so make sure you already unlock bootloader phone. You can check the bootloader status from about phone, new version, hit 5 times, then go back, scroll down, additional settings, developer option, and here we go. Okay, so right here, the OEM unlock has been turned on. It means that the bootloader has been unlocked. You can also check from here, this device is unlocked. So I have wait for 7 days and my phone has been unlocked. Okay, you cannot use the bypass option because there is no unofficial unlock bootloader for this phone yet. Okay. Okay, that's all. The next step is we need to boot it into the Fastboot mode. Okay, so now we are in the Fastboot mode, and this is all the steps, and this is all the file that we needed. Okay, I will put all file and step in my blog. You can check the link in the description box. If there are any revision, I will put it in my blog. Okay. And first thing to do is it's always a good idea to format from the Fastboot mode. Okay, yes. Now let's open the PowerShell or CMD and run this command. Okay, fastboot space -w. It will format the internal storage. And next step is we need to flash the custom recovery. Okay, just copy and paste this command. And we are going to use the orange box by tapas. So just open the zip file and extract the recovery image, and you can also rename the file if you want. Okay, hit enter. Next step, you can boot it into the recovery. Okay, just hit enter, and after this it will take about 1 minute after it's shown the custom recovery. Okay, so now we are in the custom recovery. Okay, just swipe it, and from here it's always a good idea to backup email and EFS. So let's go to the backup tab right here, hit new backup, and select this option here, enable compression for smaller size. And from here I always pick up the EFS and modem. Okay, because it is a Qualcomm device. Okay, from here just swipe it, and let's wait, and when it finishes you can back up into the micro SD or your computer. Okay, and from here you can always flash from the internal storage or micro SD, copy all the file, and or simply just use the ADB side load. Okay, so if you're using the ADB side load, go to the menu tab right here, select ADB side load and swipe it. After that, disconnect the USB cable and switch to your computer. Okay, now from here we need to flash the first file, the pre-flash. Just type ADB space side load and then just click and drag the file. Okay, so this is mandatory, you have to flash it before you flash custom ROM. Okay, finish. Now go back and select the ADB side load again. This time we're going to flash the custom ROM. Okay, we're going to use the evolution. Just click on random file and just wait until it finishes. Okay, the size is about 1.6 GB and I will skip this one. Okay, just to be noted, I already copied the backup the email EFS into computer, and you should also backup to a safe place. Okay, and now it's already done. The next step, we need to format the data. So go to your custom recovery again, go to the wipe tab right here, go to the format tab and tap yes. Okay. And next step, we need to reflash the recovery because you will lose the orange box after you flash the custom ROM. So go to the menu tab, ADB side load, and flash the custom recovery one more time, but now but this time install the zip file. Okay, like this. ADB side load space name of the recovery in the zip format. Okay, we should wait. And it already finished. Now let's test the recovery. Select the home button, select reboot, and select recovery. Okay. Okay, now we are in the custom recovery again. This time, just to make sure that the custom recovery is permanently installed. Okay, so let's go to the menu tab, reboot, and select system. Okay, and we'll wait. I want to see if the boot logo is changing from the Mu into the Evolution X. Okay, the ROM is included gaps, so we don't have to install gaps again. Okay, so if you have vanilla base, make sure to follow the second step. You can check the step in my blog. And here we go. Now we are in the home screen. So I have installed several apps, okay, such as the root beer, app police detector, dev check, and other stuff. Okay, so now let's check the systems. Go to the system, about phone, Redmi Note 12, Android 13. Let's check the version. We are using the Evolution X version 7.9.10. Code name is Turon, and Android security update December 5, 2023. Okay, very nice. As usual, it's a very nice ROM. You can customize all the stuff from the evolver right here. You can customize the status bar, notification, and lots of stuff. Okay, you should try it. And next, the first thing I want to show you, usually you going to ask about the email. Okay, so we don't have any problem with the email. Email 1 and email 2 are safe. Okay, so you can also use the Wi-Fi and SIM card. There is no problem. Okay. And next, let's test the GPS. Okay, I want to know if the location is precisely. Okay, very nice. This is my location. And next, I want to check if the ROM is clean or not. Let's check using the root beer first. And if all the sign is green, it means that it's clean. Okay, not rooted, no super SU, and Magisk other stuff. Okay, and IP police detector also shown that the ROM is clean. Now check the safety net. It's failed on the CTS profile. Okay, it's expected, like the developers first said. So, but it is not a problem. You can always fix it using the Magisk if you want to. Okay, what else? I also already take a picture and record video using the camera. And let's open it. Okay, this is result from the back camera. This is from front camera, and this is the video. Okay, let's check this out. Hello guys, now I'm recording using the front camera. Hello guys, now I'm recording using the front camera. Now I'm recording using the back camera. Now I'm recording using the back camera. Okay, nice, quite decent. All the function is working perfectly, so we don't have any problem while recording and taking a picture. So now let's test the video and sound playback. Open YouTube, and this is my channel. You can find lots of stuff in here. Okay, if you love to do custom ROM, root and other stuff, you can check from here. Okay, now let's open the short. Let's play some short just to test the music and video. Okay, nice. We don't have any problem with the sound and camera. Sorry, I mean we don't have any problem with the sound and video playback. Okay. And what else? From here you can customize lots of stuff. Okay, you also have a power menu right here, advanced menu to the bootloader, recovery and other stuff. And you can also customize from here. Okay, there is lots of goodies. If you like to customize, you can customize the home screen. Yeah, if you're not familiar with the Evolution X, this is the new pixel experience. Okay, widget and other stuff. Okay, very nice. What else? Let's open the dev check. This is the code name. Evolution topaz. Topaz is the code name for the device. Unbrick 13. Let's see the clock within 300 and 2.8 gigahertz. Very nice. Let's check the dashboard. The storage take about 4 GB from total 128, and the RAM take about 4 GB from the total 8 GB. Okay, very nice. Now let's take the CPU throttle. CPU throttle usually used to make a CPU test and make it stress. Okay, so we will know the maximum performance if it throttle or not. Okay, usually it's it is a test for now if it's good or not for gaming, because usually gaming it's quite hot. It's right here. It's quite stable. Very nice. The only thing that I noticed bug from this ROM is offline charging. Okay, so it means while you turn off your phone, you cannot see the percentage. Okay, quite nice. Okay, that's all guys. It is very nice ROM on an early stage, so it is expected to have a bug in this ROM. Okay, that's all. I hope it helps you. If you want to support me, you can check the link for PayPal and other stuff. Okay, see you in the next video. Take care. Wassalamualaikum.